To export data in Microsoft Dynamics 365, you will first need to log in through your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to access your Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, you will see a gear icon, which you need to click on. From there, you will find General and More Settings. Click on the More Settings option. Then select Advanced Settings, which will take you to another tab. In the Settings, switch from the Business Management option to the Business Customization System, where you will find the System option. Within the System, you will have the option to click on Data Management. From Data Management, you will see an option labeled Exports. In the Export tab, you can manage your exports by removing, scheduling, creating, running, editing, and more. This is how you access and utilize the export feature.